Bonjour tout le monde. In this French lesson, we are going to learn about how to tell your phone number in French. So let's begin this lesson. So in French, while giving a phone number, we usually separate numbers into two digits. For example, look at this number. So in this way, we split numbers into two digits. So for example, if I say this number in English, so how do I say this? So it would be like this: 91, 79, 46, 41 and 58. Now if I want to say this number in French, how do I say this? So I would say like this: 91 in French is 91, then 79, then 46, then 41, and the last 58. By the way, it's my WhatsApp official number. Now look at this number. Now it's your task to write down this number in French in the comment section.